In this video, I want to show you how to apply compound angle formulas to inverse sine, cosine, and tangent. We know the inverse of sine x is cosecant x, the inverse of cosine x is secant x, the inverse of tangent x is cotan x. So if I want to write cotan x plus y, it will be cotan x times cotan y minus 1 divided by cotan x plus cotan y. Cotan x minus y will be cotan x times cotan y plus 1 divided by cotan x minus cotan y. Next is secant. Secant x plus y will be secant x times secant y cosecant x times cosecant y divided by cosecant x times cosecant y minus secant x times secant y. And if you want to write secant x minus y, it will be secant x secant y times cosecant x cosecant y divided by cosecant x times cosecant y plus secant x secant y. And finally, for the cosecant, I have cosecant x plus y will be secant x times secant y times cosecant x times cosecant y divided by secant x times cosecant y plus cosecant x times secant y. And finally, cosecant x minus y will be secant x secant y cosecant x times cosecant y divided by secant x times cosecant y minus cosecant x times secant y. So basically, these are the compound angle formulas for the inverse of sine, cosine, and tangent.